William James said, "Act as if what you do makes a difference." It does. And that's particularly true with the upcoming November 6th elections. Your participation is vital. It's also important to be an informed voter. KOCT can help you find out more about the candidates for the 76th State Assembly District, San Diego County 5th Supervisorial District, and KOCT has also produced 2 special North County roundtables about Oceanside City Council District 1 and District 2 candidates. We've also done a program on the Oceanside SOAR initiative. KOCT will begin airing these programs extensively on KOCT's Channel 18 right up till the November 6th election. And the easiest way to watch these programs is to go to KOCT.org, click on videos, election programs, and you can watch these programs on your smartphone, tablet, or computer wherever you are and whenever you want to start the process of becoming an informed voter. Veteran journalists Kent Davey and Allison St. John asked insightful questions of the candidates who are competing for your vote. We had articulate representatives for and against Proposition Y, that's the SOAR initiative, and KOCT will also be airing candidate statements, 5-minute programs by the candidates asking for your vote and sharing their ideas and positions. So act as if what you do makes a difference. It does. And watch KOCT North County's channel and become an informed voter.